अहन वक्त लाइव विद बियर में अपनों को बिरगन थिया मता हम लोग चलेंगे सी लाइव विद बियर की कोई विच लैंग्वेज हार्ड गनो एपिसोड ता आई जापानीज अमगा वियतनाम को पुदला चमेन जापानीज हम पोरो हाबदनी तो जापानीज से मागा नुशिनबा घंगनबा नुपिनी so you guys are very much welcome to my show. I appreciate you stopping by. This is Mr. Sota Mizuno.
Yeah, right.
Mizuno.
Yeah,
I got it right. And Vido from Vietnam. Sota Mizuno from
Japan.
Japan. You're from who's the first Nagoya.
Yeah.
Okay. Basically, what we're doing today, like if you have watched most of my shows, I just play a little game called Which Language is Harder. I just put English sentence over there. I translate my language and make you speak in the way I want to speak. I like in the correct accent. If you can speak in the way I speak, you win. If I can speak in the way you speak, like in your language, I win. Like this is a little game, right?
Yeah,
so
simple.
And to make the game a little interesting, the one who loses every shot will be eating this called Maida King chili. This is completely a fine product from Manipur. Maida, U-Morok. This is the hottest chili in the world.
You sure that it's hottest though?
Yeah. if you don't believe, Google it, bro. Google it. Google is there to answer your questions. Yeah. The first thing is.
Interesting.
I'll go with the Japanese guy first. Yeah. Your fart is smelly, right?
So you're gonna
I'll tell you my language. Try to tell it exactly in the way I say.
You'll go slowly first.
Yeah. I won't repeat it, okay?
What the
No, I won't repeat it.
No way.
No, like I'll say it slow, but I won't repeat it
no
like
second
completely.
Time. Okay.
No second
One
time.
shot. Okay.
Life is all about the first chance, bro.
Yeah, man. No second time.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just say it completely first, and then I'll divide into two half, and then go half, right?
Wait, where is the half for in?
No, I'll just the whole sentence. I'll put it, take it into half.
Okay, like half.
So if I say it completely, you won't be able to hear it. Oh yeah.
Wait, how's it? Oh no.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Let's try. Yeah. Go.
Nangi moinam sidi nam tikreda, right? Okay. Okay.
Fast.
Okay, I'll divide it. Nangi moinam sidi.
Can I say it right now?
Oh yeah, with action, right?
Why?
Every accent has an action. You can't like nangi moinam sidi. It's stupid. Okay, with action. Because this is about the fart, right?
Oh, you're about to fart. Like,
No, I'm not about to fart here. I'm talking about the fart. I'm not about to fart. Okay, your fart is like
Yeah.
Nangi moinam
Nangi moinam
sidi
shitty.
nam tikre.
That wasn't part of the sentence.
No,
you
that-
wrong.
We just have rich that like your fart is. We're about to say the stinky part. Nangi moinam sidi
Nangi moinam shitty.
nam tikre.
Nam tikre.
Oh, exactly. Clap for yourself, bitch. Okay, how do you say in Japanese?
Can I say like like?
Oh yeah, you
whole
try.
sentence
If I can completely say in a way you say in the full sentence, then I'm the freaking winner.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay. Your fart is really simple. Okay. お前の
お前の
おならは
こならは
あな
あな
お前の
お前の
おならは
おならは
マジで
マジで
くせ
くせ
Oh, you lose. You lose.
Psycho.
I lose?
Yeah, you lost.
Are you guys serious?
Definitely.
Stupid, I was saying the same thing, bro.
You made a mistake first.
You be honest. Did I say the same thing or did I just don't say
Okay,
the
okay.
word?
I'll repeat it and you repeat it. It's the last chance.
Okay, last chance.
Alright, okay.
Divide into two parts. Don't go word by word.
Okay. お前のおならは
お前のおならは
マジでくせ。
マジでくせ
That's okay. That's okay. It's acceptable. Understandable.
I was born and raised in Japan, but I just woke up in India.
Nice.
You know?
Doesn't work that way.
Sorry, that was a bad job.
Alright.
Yeah.
So
The next thing for Vietnam. Let me kill the Vietnam now. Yeah. Okay, I'll go first. Nangi moinam city.
Nangi mo nam city.
sounds ugly.
No. Sounds like go with full jaws, bro. Go with full jaws. Nangi moinam city.
Nangi mo nam city.
Nam tikre.
Nam pikare.
Oh,
Your girlfriend is going back home with a lot of smell today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, how do you say in Vietnamese? You won that. You was perfect.
Okay. Okay, I'll speak in the way like we are close friends.
Oh yeah, that's how you can say things
like we're really
yeah.
close because we have
Yeah.
different pronunciation. So it's gonna be mày địch thúi quá.
Mày địch thúi quá.
Mày địch thúi quá.
Mày địch thúi. That's it. That's it.
So
Oh, that's
short.
cute. That's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can say to everyone. Like,
Yeah,
Like,
that's
mày
it.
địch
Mày địch
thúi
thúi.
quá.
Mày địch thúi.
Yeah.
The whole Vietnam is gonna sound like shit. Okay, the next thing. Okay, the next one is really interesting one. I'm gonna say like you look like you wanna shit, right? It's not. It's completely informal. Like you
We don't talk
you
about
you
it.
don't really say it when you're angry, but you say it like for fun. That's it. Like
Yeah.
that's how you say it.
Nothing serious.
Nothing serious. And like you say to your friend, oh, you look like you wanna shit, you know. Like, so I'll go for Japanese first.
Okay.
For your boyfriend first. Nasaknina.
Nasak nina.
Don't laugh, bro. You're angry. You're angry, bro.
Okay.
We're laughing, bro.
Okay.
This is my
You
show.
cannot-
Okay.
You just say you
This is
cannot-
my YouTube channel.
You
I have to
just
do
say-
whatever I want.
You just say you cannot be angry when you say it,
No,
and then
yeah.
you have to be angry.
Okay, did I say that? Okay, I'm sorry. You have to be a little bit serious. Nasaknina.
Nasak nina.
Ti paning mamale.
Fuck. Ti han nina male.
Ti paning mamale.
Ti pan nina male.
Nah, this is so bad.
Yeah, it's not
Like
like
Uber.
sounds like.
The viewers understand that you lose, bro. You lose. You fucking lose,
Oh,
bro.
It's your home place, and like this
Home
thing,
ground,
your
yeah.
kind of your language.
Oh, yeah, When you
Okay,
have a
really,
soccer
home-
match, the home ground always wins.
Oh yeah, that's
Preferably 90%. So this guy's gonna have the hottest chili in the world.
Yeah.
My
Like
right
straight on
here.
the shot,
You
like straight there.
You haven't tried my language, right?
Oh yeah, if I lose, I'll eat too, bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay,
I see, okay.
I open it up, twist it.
Okay.
You gotta really eat. It's open inside. Take a piece.
Oh my god.
No, take a real big one, bro.
I already took it. What are you talking about?
It's a real big one inside.
Didn't you see that?
I want.
It's spicy in a way, but it's tasty too.
Is the Japanese food spicy too?
Nah, but like no. I mean, it tastes good but spicy. So yeah.
I'm really depressed.
Unko
Ungo.
したそうだな。
go again, bro. Okay, once more.
うんこしたそうだな。
Yo, divide in two parts. Match. Let's go
Unko?
down. Unko.
したそうだね。
Should I saw the Unko should I saw the
Nah.
Yo, are you serious?
It's close, but like nah, still it's
Nice.
far.
You're taking revenge because I gave your boyfriend some chili, huh?
Have fun.
Love hearts.
You eat it often. You gotta have like real.
No, yeah, I eat like shit all the time. Like this is my. Yeah, I've been eating this a lot of times. So for me, I'm okay.
Oh my god. Yo, you went chicken shit. Yo, you should have just ripped it off.
This is really spicy.
Yeah, man. I still feel the spice on my lips.
Okay.
You want water?
Are you
No, right?
crying,
Yeah.
bro? Are you crying?
Oh,
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 my
don't
god.
cry. Be strong. Oh.
We Manipuris don't give up easily, bro.
Yeah, but like.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you how to say in how to say in Vietnamese.
Wait, go. I'm just saying Vietnamese.
Okay, I'll tell you how to say in Manipuri, right?
Yeah.
For the second one, go. You look like you wanna shit. Nasaknina. Angry.
Nasaknina.
No, you're not. You're trying to act like cute girl.
Yeah.
You don't try to act cute. No, this is
No.
not acceptable.
It's-
This is my YouTube channel.
Because I'm just too cute, you know? I'm just too
Some
cute for
acceptable,
angry
okay.
thing, you know? You're too spicy.
No, it's
Oh
actually
yeah.
hard.
Nasaknina.
Nasaknina.
What was you trying to say? Nasaknina. Nasaknina.
Nasaknina.
I'll tell you a little bit from what I taught him. Nasaknina.
Nasaknina.
Kong hamning mamale.
Ko ani mamani.
Oh, exactly. He said.
Then you have to eat it again.
No. He's just winning. Somebody winning doesn't mean I'm losing. No, don't fucking kill me, bro.
I would like to see you eat one more time.
No. I'm already too proud to be Manipuri. I don't want to be super proud. Yeah. So teach me how to say in Vietnamese.
Okay. In my language, like
Yeah.
there's not, like we don't usually say that to people.
Are you sure that no one looks like shit in Vietnam?
But we don't say it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, but like
What?
like sometimes
Sometimes
if
they look
we're
like
too
shit.
close to each other and you really want to shit,
Yeah. Okay.
so it's like the real one, not like
Yeah.
you yelling at people's face
Yeah.
like that, but like when your friend really want to shit and you can tell, so we say mày đang buồn ỉa hả?
Mày đây buồn hay hả?
Mày đang buồn ỉa hả?
Mày đang buồn ẻ hả? That's how I say. Mày đây buồn ẻ hả?
That's how it sounds.
Mày
Đang
buồn
buồn
ỉa
ẻ hả?
Yeah.
Super proud.
Oh yeah, you know you win, so you don't
yeah.
have to.
So-
Oh, so sad.
This guy went to say you won it. Okay, I'll save your stomach for today. Okay, that was pretty much for the first part of the game. I'll just come to the conclusion. I would like to just ask a question, right? Being in a relationship, you guys, right? Like you're from Japan, you're from Vietnam. You guys are from different cultural background, right? How is it? Like
Nothing really special.
nothing. What do you mean nothing really special?
It's like
It's a completely different world, right?
yeah, it's like normal people.
Is that normal?
dating.
Yeah, I don't understand. You guys are normal people. You are not aliens. How is it like?
But like sometimes the
Sometimes
culture
he's
gonna
crazy.
be like different. Yeah, he's too
Is Japanese good?
pervert, you know. He's too, like his
Arigato
culture is
konnichiwa. Phew.
too pervert.
Too pervert?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's how guys works anyway.
Oh my god.
It's not about culture.
You saw me coming there. That's you're trying to put a wall there. It's not about the culture. The problem is with me.
Cause I'm pervert, so like no, I mean this him.
Oh, she was like, no, I'm pervert. Okay, she exposed herself.
No, I mean because he mean that because he's a pervert, not
Yeah.
because of the culture itself. Okay. Yeah.
He's a
I'm
proud
not
pervert.
Pervert
representing
face.
Japanese. I'm not representing the whole country.
Just
A guy from the country, okay?
a guy from the hood.
Yeah, a guy from the hood. I'm
Oh yeah, yeah. Taking this opportunity, you know, in my place in World War, Japanese soldiers came to Manipur, right? They were hiding there.
What?
I'm like,
Like-
they were there in the war,
Oh, yeah.
so they were like,
Oh, I see.
like some part of Manipur was in the war, so
Yeah, yeah.
like they were fighting. There are a lot of places where Japanese, and there are traces where Japanese soldiers were hiding on the ground, and we still have so many places where we even have the biggest Japanese war memorial there.
Oh, really?
It's huge one. We have that Japanese war memorial, right? And for Vietnam, right? Vietnam, we really don't have anything back there. But we know when I was in class 5, 6, and something, we studied about Vietnam War and shit. You know, like that was pretty famous. There was
It's
crazy
a
war.
recent thing, no?
Vietnam War? No, not recent. That's a long
No,
time.
it's long time.
Oh, really?
It's like
Your boyfriend is really weak in general knowledge. You gotta slap him hard.
he has no idea about Vietnam. Like no.
Do you know where is Japan, bro?
It's somewhere east.
Okay, that was pretty much for today. Yeah, you guys were amazing. You played really well, so I'm gonna give you guys a gift. And this is completely traditional stuff. So we have our own clan flag here. We have our own clan flag here, the 7 colors. This is something which we give to the the highest respected guests we have in our houses, or we have in our. If somebody comes to our family or somebody comes to our place, that we give this one to respect that. We don't really. I'm like, we have a lot of things that we give, but this is something which is like one of them, you know, in the highest position. So this one's first for ladies first from Vietnam.
Thank you.
Everyone clap. Oh yeah, and this one's for the Japanese. How do you say thank you in Japanese?
Arigato.
Arigato. I'm the one saying thank you.
Arigato.
Yeah, how to say
Arigato.
thank you in
How to say-
Manipuri?
Oh yeah, and that was pretty much it. And comment below how you think about this video. And yeah, this is Mr. Japan.
Mr.
This is Shota Muzino.
Mizuno.
Okay.
Muzino.
Guys, this is Shota Mizuno shining up. This is Miss Vido from Vietnam. She also have her own YouTube channel. She blogs. Her YouTube channel is Vido. She blogs daily stuff, like complete combination of all this stuff. Completely focused on Vietnamese, but she will be turning into English pretty soon. So you guys need to go check it out. The links are given in the description down below. So I think you guys need to tell me how you think about this video in the comment section down below, and please feel free if you have any suggestions for the video so that I can make it better in the next time. And comment down below which nationality, which country, which you would like me to go and talk to next in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching, and let's all join our hands together how to say thank you in my language. We join our hands together and say Mayambu.
Mayambu.
Video asi.
Video asi.
Yeng bagi.
Yeng bagi.
Kurumzari.
Kurumsari.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel.
Okay. Don't forget to forget. Wait.
Yeah.